If you don't like spending money but still want a working controller, then stick around. Let's fix that joystick drift on your Xbox One controller. First, try these quick fixes. Restart your controller by holding the Xbox button until it shuts off, then turn it back on. Still drifting? Restart your console. Or swap out those batteries for fresh ones. Next, resync your controller. Press the connect button on your Xbox. Then hold the connect button on your controller until the Xbox button flashes. Give those joysticks a little love. Push, pull, and rotate them to dislodge any debris. Moving on to software solutions. Update your controller firmware through your Xbox or PC. Adjust the dead zone settings in the Xbox Accessories app or within your game to minimize drift. Still having issues? Grab some compressed air or isopropyl alcohol and clean around the base of the joystick. If all else fails, consider a DIY repair or professional help. Remember, sometimes a simple clean or update can work wonders. Happy gaming!